Top 5 Programming Languages for AI Development. Are you ready to dive into AI development but not sure where to start? Here are the top 5 programming languages you need to know. Python, the go-to language for AI. Python is known for its simplicity and extensive libraries like TensorFlow and Pytorch, perfect for machine learning and deep learning. Java, with its robustness and portability, Java is a great choice for large-scale AI projects and offers powerful tools for building complex algorithms. Julia, a newer player, Julia is designed for high-performance numerical analysis, making it perfect for AI applications requiring fast execution. Our language, ideal for data analysis and statistics, excels in data visualization and offers a strong framework for AI and machine learning algorithms. C++, known for its performance efficiency, C++ is often used in AI for real-time systems and game development, where speed is crucial. Choose the language that best suits your AI project and start coding today. Like and subscribe for more quick AI tips and tutorials. See you in the next video.